Hello, I'm in a 2017 Ford Escape, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil level. So first you open your hood, and then we're going to go to the motor here, and you should see this. This is your dipstick. So you'll pull this out all the way, and then typically wipe it all the way clean with a rag or paper towel. And now this is all while the engine's off, at which point you'll stick this right back in the hole all the way, pull it right back out. And then at that point you check the end, make sure there's some oil showing on this little rating here where it's got that line in the middle. It says a max and min there if you can read it. So you want it in that range. If it's below that, that's something you'll need to address, get some new oil added. At which point, again, while this engine's off, you would just unscrew this and make sure you're adding the proper type of oil, and ideally the same conventional or synthetic and brand you've been using. Better not to mix and match. But with a funnel or straight from your quart jug, you can fill this as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. But you'll fill this, screw this back on when you're done, and then I would recommend turning the motor on for like at least 10 to 20 seconds to circulate the new oil. And at which point then you would turn the motor off and then do the same process with this dipstick again, and pulling it, wiping it clean, and then sticking it back in to see if you've got the right level now. And none of this should be in lieu of regular oil changes, which typically is easiest to do with the vehicles lifted slightly so you can get underneath to the oil pan. At which point you'd pull the drain plug, drain out all the oil, replace any filters as needed, screw it all back together, and then all this while the engine's off. And then you'd pour in the recommended amount of oil for your motor here, screw this back on nice and tight, and then you should be good to go. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.